This is Jacob from How to Do 100, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to add 3 sound effects to your videos using Windows Live Movie Maker. And right now I am on the website page soundeffectsnow.com, and I will leave a link below in the description for this page. Okay, as you're on the page, you can choose a lot of categories out here. I'm just gonna choose animal sound effects, and then you can press this big play button if you want to hear the sound. Alright, here we have a cow saying moo. I want to add that video effect to my sound effect to my video. Then I want to press its name, cow moo. Then it will open a new page. Just scroll down, and then you do not want to choose the high quality, because then if you click that, it will just lead you to the complete collection, which costs money. So just choose the low quality. Then it will open a new page with this bar here, as you see. Then you want to right click, not on the blue one here, but on the black one, and save video as. I'm gonna save it into my desktop, and then the folder sound effects. Alright, and it's gonna be called cow moo. Save. Okay. Then you want to have a video in your Windows Live Movie Maker, and then you want to open your sound effects folder, and I'm just gonna find the cow moo. Here it is. Then I want to drag it into Movie Maker. You can just do like this, or you can choose the place where you want to drag it in, like that. But I'm gonna place it there. Okay, and now it's added to my video. Yup, and it works fine. And I don't want if you don't want the cow moo to be so long, you can just draw this black line here where you want it to be. Then if you right click on the sound effect, you can say split. Now it is separated in 2 parts. Then I don't want the first part of this cow moo, because I don't like it. Then just right click and say remove. And if you don't want it to be in the start, but somewhere else in the video, where you perhaps see a cow that is that you want to say moo, then you can just draw it like this. And then I want it to be there. And that's how to do it. 100 here. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And you're subscribe for more how-to videos. See you guys and girls.